2026 is the year of the RTX 4070 Super, and today we're counting down the top-rated GPUs you can actually buy, from silent cooling champs to high-boost gaming monsters. Let's dive into the best RTX 4070 supercards out there. First up is the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4070 Super O C Edition, a great balance of performance, thermals, and value. This card sticks to a clean dual fan design that keeps temperatures in check while delivering strong clock speeds right out of the box. It's perfect for 1440p gaming, creative workflows, and smooth high refresh gameplay, all without breaking the bank or blasting out tons of noise. If you want a solid all-around RTX 4070 Super with dependable cooling and consistent performance, check the description for the link to this ASUS Dual 4070 Super. Next, we have the PNY GeForce RTX 4070 Super, a straightforward but capable card for gamers and creators alike. PNY often focuses on tried and true builds, a reliable cooler, quiet fans, and performance that hits expectations without unnecessary marketing fluff. It's great for anyone who wants a no-nonsense RTX 4070 Super that gets the job done at solid frame rates, whether you're gaming, editing video, or streaming. If you want simplicity and reliability in your GPU, check the description for the link to the PNY 4070 Super. The ASUS TUF Gaming RTX 4070 Super O C Edition steps things up with rugged build quality and enhanced cooling. TUF cards are known for their enduring components and robust thermal design. Ideal if you're pushing high clocks under heavy loads. With dual BIOS modes, reinforced frame, and extra efficient fans, this one's made for gamers who expect performance and silence without compromise. It handles ray tracing and DLSS like a champ, and it's a great choice for long gaming sessions. For this beefy ASUS TUF 4070 Super, check the description for the link. Our next pick is the MSI Gaming RTX 4070 Super, a card that blends performance, cooling, and aesthetics into one sleek package. MSI's gaming series brings a refined cooler design with multiple heat pipes and optimized airflow, which means lower temps and quieter fans under load. It's perfect if you want a balance of strong 1440 EMTW performance and a stylish GPU that looks good in your build without blowing your ears off. Want details in the purchase link? Check the description for the MSI 4070 Super link. Last but not least is the Zotac Gaming GeForce RTX 4070, a more compact, practical option that still delivers solid RTX 4070 Super performance. Zotac's design can fit into tighter builds, and it's often priced a bit lower than other premium models, making it great for budget-minded gamers who still want the power of a supercard. Don't let the smaller size fool you. This one punches above its weight in many modern games. For more info and the link, check the description for the Zotac 4070 GPU. There you have it, the best RTX 4070 Super GPUs in 2026, from performance-focused rigs to quiet and compact options. All the links are waiting for you in the description. Grab the one that fits your build and let's go.